Hi guys, we're back again with Poppy and Neil at Baskets Galore, and today we're going to be looking at our interpretation of fruit baskets.
Yes, we are. We're here to show people, okay, if they were going and making a fruit basket, how would they go about doing it? What sort of things would they put into it? And so it's our rather confrontational argument that in a fruit basket, you shouldn't really put very much fruit.
Yeah. The reason we've kind of selected these is they're a wee bit harder. They're going to transport better once it's wrapped. Once you start putting in loads and loads of fruit, it becomes heavy, they move more, and it just doesn't transport. The fruit gets bruised, and if a heavier item is, sitting on top, they get damaged and they don't arrive how you want them to. So this is the alternative that we have found works best.
That would be a very good summarization of the topic. If you put pineapples in, you put melons into it. We used to do this many years ago, even probably up to COVID.
Yeah.
But they just move. They're too heavy. They move around, and if you have one product which is particularly heavier than all the rest, it squashes it and it causes trouble. Also, when it comes to the shrinking and the wrapping of it, the moisture in it makes it very. What's that word for it? It condenses.
Yeah, you get condensation.
So it looks
inside.
kind of smokier on the basket and whatever. And it just sort of doesn't really work as well.
Yeah, you also have to, from maybe our perspective, what we see as well is how is it delivered. They're in vans, they go on aeroplanes, and just those temperature changes that are out of control just means that you do not know how the gift will arrive. We can send it looking spectacular, but whenever we don't hand deliver them, or if you don't hand deliver them, you don't know how it is going to arrive.
You can't control the product assembly mix sufficiently to ensure that what is delivered exceeds people's expectations. So since our objective is to exceed people's expectations, we just simply say, look, it's not worth filling these baskets with fruit and creating those problems for yourself. That's not to say other people can't do it or whatever. I just think that it won't work in our professional opinion.
Yeah.
But good luck trying it. But if you were looking to put a fruit basket together from home and you got like your basket, you could put whatever you wanted in yourself, of course. It's just that nobody's going to be able to do it for you.
Yeah, it's a wee bit more of a difficult genre of gift baskets. What we then have done is we kind of went for our kind of simply vibrant.
Yeah.
And it has this, it's got those elements of fruit in it, but with more added, and it creates a more
colorful and vibrant. That's why we use the topicality of simply vibrant.
Yeah.
Because whenever you're sending a gift, whether it's fruit basket, whatever, you're looking for that vibrancy. You're looking for that sort of fresh, colorful, healthy connotation to the sending of the gift. Yeah. So whether that is fruit or whether that is complementary to fruit, that's where we are offering something that little bit different. Let's go on and let's look at exactly what's in it here.
What else we have? So I'm going to pick out this. So we've included quite a lot of like fruity products. So this here is 60% cocoa, dark chocolate, mango. So again, that fruit
follows through the fruit.
It's followed through, but it's just a little bit nicer. It's coated in dark chocolate.
Yeah.
It's again, but really nice bright packaging that ties in. Else we've then got here lemon, ginger, and chai. So vegan, organic. Kind of biscuits.
Let's take a look at those are coffee and tea there.
So yeah, again, these feature in a lot of our baskets. It's
sort of it's a coffee bag. I'm not really. I think a lot of people prefer like the filtered coffee and whatever. But anybody that's received these has like really enjoyed it, particularly if they're looking at from a perspective of portability. Yeah. And so quite a lot of these will come from will be delivered to sort of like a hospital or to people's home, whereby that portability aspect and something different is valued.
Yeah, similar. We have our tea bags here, SD bells. What else? We've expensive kind of fine biscuits, orange with dark chocolate, made in Ireland.
Yep.
So again, that expensive, it's bright, it's gifting, done better.
And the ingredients coordinate well with the overall message.
Yes,
and that's really,
these
are just the little things that we try to do to make our basket, when they arrive, be professional. Like, we do this day in, day out, year after year. So there's little tricks or whatever that we've sort of picked up to exceed people's expectations, because we want people raving about it when they get it. Because if they get a basket like this and they think it's really, really nice, they're inclined to purchase from us, or but more importantly, it's that giving that feedback back to the sender that's ordered this and has wanted to send a vibrant gift, a vibrant fruit basket. They want to hear, yes, it was something special.
Yeah. So just a few of the other things. We've got some shortbreads and like oat cookies and stuff. But I think the main kind of, if you're going to try and replicate this and do it yourself, is go for those expensive, luxurious, but try and maybe do find like a fruit filling or fruit coated in things, because it ties it all together. It creates that message that you want to send, that it's not just a fruit gift basket. It is more. It is a vibrant, it's got fruit, it's got other little goodies. If it is going to someone who's maybe not at peak health, it's a get well, it's also nice, and there's chocolate and goodies you enjoy as well. It's not got an expiry date.
Right. Then these would be you can see the sort of way that we've put it together so that we avoid too much movement in the product. So I think that does us for our alternative to fruit baskets, which includes a little bit of fruit and offers something different in terms of the gift industry. Okay.